Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video, we are opening up another box from Glossybox. This is for September, so let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So first of all, there's a cool special for you guys. If you've been following any of my hygiene haul, any of those shop with me, this is definitely the box you want to keep your eye on, because for the last couple boxes that I've received for a review, it has been strictly a little bit of makeup, but a lot of bit of hygiene products. So I am definitely loving this Glossybox that I get to review for you guys. So, and what's crazy is before they reached out to me, I kind of saw videos on Glossybox, but I really honestly thought it was focused more so on makeup, but it definitely isn't. So I am definitely awesome, excited to share with you guys the box for September. Now, the cool thing about this box is you always get products that are valued over $75. And then new thing too for this video, if there's a new code for September. So if you use the code LYNETTE16, your very first box is only $16. So imagine that you go to Target or the store like we normally do on my Come With Me's. If you spend $75, you're not gonna come out with as many products as you're gonna see in this box. So let's get into the box. All right, so first off, I love the inner lining of it. We have been using these to hold our private products, like my daughter's using them for some hairpins, some of her hair products, and then she's also using them for these little Japanese anime products, statues that she holds. So this is like a good box that you can save just to hold stationery. So that's one thing. I love the box. It's super fancy, and it's not even, we didn't even get into the box yet. So every month you get a box that is, this one, it seems like it's definitely filled to the top with products. So I cannot wait to dive in. This is definitely heavier than my last couple boxes. So let's see. So the first thing we are looking at it looks like there's a little coupon here for toilet paper. So we love hygiene products. You have to get toilet paper. So if anybody wants to use this, go right ahead. This is from whogivesA.org, and if you use the coupon there, you've got to screenshot it, go ahead. You actually get $10 off by using the code in the front. So if you need toilet paper, there's something new to use. And let me see, 1 box of toilet paper. Okay, so this seems to be, it's fancy toilet paper without the fancy price tag. Free shipping, things like that, plastic-free wrappers. All right, so this is supposed to be earth-friendly. So if you want to try something different, there you go. So that's unique, right? And then another thing that I like from every box is they give you a little magazine kind of describing what is in the box. So if you took a screenshot of that, you already know what's in this box. And then it shows you like a sneak peek of what's coming next month. If you're curious, I am never curious. I like to get a surprise each month because we are looking at this together. So let me just leave this to the side so we can see. And then, oh, it looks like they're gonna have like a Glossybox advent calendar. So have you guys ever tried any advent calendars before? It looks like last year, these are like the, what people said about last year's advent calendar. I've never actually, well, yes, I did. I did purchase an advent calendar for another company. But yeah, I've never actually got one. And it says here it's gonna have products from Glow Recipe, LMS, and Victor and Rolf. So that's super cool. All right, and it's worth $550, 27 products. So stay tuned for that. So if you did sign up for Glossybox for $16, then I'm sure you're gonna get the communication about the advent calendar. So definitely stay tuned. We are staying tuned for that. And another thing I love is that they wrap this in tissue paper and it has a little bow. So it's definitely like a special surprise, because we still can't see what's in the box. All right, so let us look inside and see what's in the box together. So we're gonna get a sneak peek together. All right, so this is what is in, some fell, but that's what's in the box right now. So let's take a look to see what that is. All right, so this here, there's 2 of these packets here. So let me look at the paper, the booklet. So this is hot cocoa with Reishi. So it says, treat yourself to a better bedtime with this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free organic cocoa mix made with reishi mushroom. You'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's sleep. 2 packets are worth $4. And if you bought like the big package of this, and I love that they don't shy away from if this is a deluxe size, a sample size, or what you're getting in the box or the full size version of it. I love that. So these 2 are worth $4, but if you got the actual big package of this, of 10 packets, that would be $20. So it says tip, in the evening, add 1 packet to 6 fluid ounces of hot water, stir and enjoy. I love hot cocoa. I'm gonna definitely be putting that to the side for when I want my hot chocolate. I love chocolate, anything chocolate, that's mine. All right, so the next thing we have here is from This Works. This is Stress Check Clean Hands. This is a no rinse formula. So let me see. So we have the travel size of this. So this is worth $6, but if you got the full size version of this, it's $15. And it says, keep your hands clean anywhere you go. This hydrating hand gel with 70% purifying alcohol, hard-working hyaluronic acid, and a super blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli will make your hands clean, safe, moisturizing whenever you can't get to some soap and water. This is actually gonna be perfect for me to throw in my purse, but more importantly, I think I'm gonna give this to my teenage son because I still work from home during the panini, we're gonna call it. But I still work from home, but my son is actually just started a couple weeks. It's been 2 weeks, I think, that they've been in person in school. So I'm gonna give this to him. Although his school does have wipes and hand sanitizers, gel, all that stuff all over the place, I think this would be good for him to stick in his book bag just in case he needs a backup. So this is perfect timing for me anyway. All right, so the next thing we have here, is from Daily Concepts. This is Daily Hammam Mitt Lifestyle size, it says. I was trying to figure out what it is, but we're gonna figure out what this is together because I can figure it out just from the title, which is fine. Like I said, that's why I like these boxes, because you get to see stuff that you probably normally would pass up or you wouldn't even look at twice, but you get a second look at. All right, so this right here is worth $14. And this is, what is this? It says detox and refresh your skin for a youthful glow made for your body. Oh, this cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time it detoxifies. Rehydrates and nourishes without stripping and drying out your skin so you can look and feel good, feel at your best. So it says a tip, apply your cleanser to the mitt, then use over wet skin to exfoliate, avoid using on your face. So this is an exfoliating glove, guys. How many times have we gone into, this is cool. So this is an exfoliating glove. I love the fact that you don't have to put your hands in that little thing. This is super unique, but look at that. Just for all those bath and body, all those body lotions and body scrubs that we have, this is perfect. So this is gonna be perfect so we can exfoliate. And what's crazy is I've been eyeing exfoliating gloves for a very long time, but I haven't actually grabbed one. So they are giving me a reason to try this out finally. So there we go. I told you they do have a lot of hygiene products. So actually I wanna go back and give this right here a try just to see if we can see. Usually hand sanitizers really doesn't smell like anything, but yeah, it doesn't have a scent. So this would be perfect for a guy if you had to give a guy something there, but I'm definitely digging this because I'm definitely gonna use this tonight when I give my shower. All right, so the next thing we have here is Terre. This is, what is this? This is a body cleanser. All right, so this right here, The body cleanser, this is $23. So, and this is the full size version of it. You can tell, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, so it says clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, protecting it all at the same time. This is organic, low foaming, aromatic cleansing gel, which is suitable to all skin types. It's infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. So, and it says a tip, dispense into your hands, massage onto soaked skin from neck to toe, then rinse thoroughly. All right, so let me see if we can find out. Let me see. Okay, so it does come out. All right, so give me a second. Let me see what this smells. So it's a clear consistency. And it does actually have like a refreshing scent to it. So hold on. I got a notification on my phone. It does actually have a nice refreshing scent to it. So this, if you like clean scents, yeah, then this is definitely the one that you want to grab. So it's Terre de Mars. That's how I see it. That's how I pronounce it. All right, so that's that. We got two more things, guys. This, as I told you, this box was packed. All right, so we're gonna leave that for last. Let me clean my hands. All right, so the next thing we have here is David's. This is premium toothpaste, fluoride free. How many times do we go into the store looking for this? I told you guys, it's definitely a hygiene box, which I'm loving. All right, so this is David's toothpaste. I'm not gonna open it because I don't wanna ruin it. This is a deluxe mini. Love, love, love that they're always descriptive on what you got in your box. So there's no line, this is the price. So for this, you would pay $4.95, but if you got the full price, it's $9.95. So this David's Natural Toothpaste, it's in Peppermint. And here it says freshen your breath with this premium sustainable toothpaste designed to naturally whiten and remove plaque and freshen breath. David is made with naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. So this is super perfect. Let me see. Oh, let me give you guys a tip. It says brush thoroughly after each meal for 2 minutes or as directed by your dentist. And then last but not least, I tell you guys, this was a good box. This is Collagin all-in-one gel. The retail value for this is $49. So just with this collagen gel, that pays for the whole box right there. So this is what it looks like here. This is from Astaxanthathin. And I could be saying that name wrong, but just giving you guys. And again, this is $49. So this is this lightweight facial moisturizer, tones, hydrates, and brightens skin into one step. It's powered by Astaxanthathin, a natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C. I didn't even know that. All right, and then 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in eliminating free radicals that cause premature aging. It says a tip after cleansing and toning, smooth evenly over face daily. And this is a full-size version of it. So let us do a recap. Like I try to do every video, let us do a recap and see what all came in this box. So first thing, we have our collagen all-in-one, full size there. We have our body cleanser, kind of like shower gel, but just another name, a bougie name, which definitely loving because it has, and I can still smell it here, is a fresh, clean scent. And then we have our toothpaste there. We have our hand sanitizer there. We have our exfoliating mitt. And then we have our hot cocoa to chill out and relax on our days of spa. So that is everything that came in September's box, guys. So what do you guys think? I'm definitely impressed with Glossybox because like I said, I didn't know the products I needed until you get it. So this, I needed. So I definitely needed, and I actually needed more moisturizer for my face because I just finished the one that I had. All right, so let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried any of these products before. What is your favorite? But for sure, let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite hygiene that you are rocking out to this month right now. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.